Hey everyone, great to see you back. In the last episode we swapped out the front bushes. If you haven't seen it yet, feel free to catch up. It's somewhere in our channel. The foot tag is a bit old and it was one of my first recordings. To be honest, I had no clue what I was doing, but now I'm really getting the hang of it. Anyway, it's time to show you the video of the rear bushes. Enjoy! Okay, I need a hand.
Give me a second. Now you hit that out, like that. Make sure you hit that with the hammer first, but make sure that you're not hitting the edges, yeah? So otherwise we will never get that nut back on. Alright. Not on the edges. Now grab the other one. Yep. Now you hit that through, the other way around, that's it. That's it, nice. Oh, that bolt is fucked. Wow, look at that. There's no thread at all on it. We can cut a new thread in that.
We bought that tap and die kit from Sydney Tools. It was $150 and I think it is a very cheap insurance if something like that happens, so you'll be able to fix it.
Go. That's it. That's how you change a bolt. So, but the M20 nut will definitely fit on that. That's for sure. So we stripped that bolt and I cut a new thread on it. Now we just have to buy a new nut and then we save ourselves some money. Safety first, honey. Always take care when I'm working here. Move.
Was that easy to get them out?
Yeah,
Those arms up?
very easy. Yeah.
There we go, that's number one. Number two. Alright, now the hard part comes up. Take these off. Can you hold that? Yeah. There you go. See, it's not even bad at all, man. Wait.
Slide it across over to where there's more room.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Okay.
That thing is holding it here.
Okay.
You can't go past that point. No, he lost. There you go. Turn it that way.
Eat it. It's a hair tie.
The small bushes are quite easy to install, they just pop in from the side. But these bigger ones are very stiff and you really have to pry them open. You can do that with some wedges, or if you're strong enough you can use your hands. But I wasn't, so I used the circlip pliers to push them open and yeah, get them over that bar.
Wow! That was quick.
I'll wait for that moment and these pins are break off. Click! That's it. Done. Get yourself one of these. Not these ones maybe. They're a bit shitty, but better than none.
Nope.
Can you push it up? Pretty impossible. Alrighty. Oh man. Yes. Can you pass me that bolt before we start anything, and the nut? Yeah, there. Right in front of you. Thank you. Perfect.
It was so freezing that day, but in the end, we made it. I can't wait for the summer.
Job done. We still don't have that nut. We need to buy another nut, but we have everything out now. So I go and buy a new nut and I'm just gonna put it on. That's it, done. Let's tighten these ones up here.
See you next week.
See you next week.
So, what I can say, if you liked it, hit hard the subscribe button. Like and comment definitely helps too. Stay tuned because next week you will find out if you passed road volley or not. Take care, guys.